If you want to enhance your security on Coinbase by removing all devices, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your device settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Visit the Coinbase website or open the app and log in with your credentials. Ensure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu. Look for the security tab, which is usually found in the account settings section. Step 3. Review authorized devices. In the security settings, find the section that lists all authorized devices. This will show you all devices currently linked to your account. Step 4. Select devices to remove. Go through the list and identify any old or unrecognized devices. Click on the option to remove or revoke access for those devices. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. By following these steps, you can keep your Coinbase account secure by managing which devices have access. Regularly reviewing your security settings is a good practice to ensure your account remains protected.